In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Microsoft Word app. By the end, you'll have Microsoft Word running as a handy desktop-style app that opens in its own window, just like a regular program, without needing to keep a browser tab open. First, open a web browser on your PC. A modern browser like Chrome or Edge works best for this process. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and, if possible, that your browser is up to date. An updated browser ensures you'll see the right options and that the install goes smoothly. Next, go to the official Microsoft Word website. You can do this by typing the site address in the address bar or by searching for it and selecting the official Microsoft result. You should see the familiar Word interface in your browser. If you're prompted to sign in, you can do that now or later. Your ability to install the app doesn't depend on it. The important part is that you're on the real Microsoft Word page. Now look to the very top right corner of your browser window and click the three-dot menu. This is the main browser menu with additional tools and settings. It may be small, so take a second to locate it before clicking. In the menu that opens, hover your mouse over the option labeled Cast, Save, and Share. You don't need to click yet, just move your cursor over it. This will reveal a sub-menu with more choices related to saving and installing the current page. From that sub-menu, click Install as App. This tells your browser to install the Word site as a lightweight application on your computer. It creates a dedicated window and adds shortcuts so you can launch it quickly without navigating through your browser every time. A confirmation box will appear. Click Install to confirm. The installation only takes a moment. Once it finishes, Word will open in its own streamlined window. You should also find a new shortcut in places like your Start menu, App List, or Taskbar, depending on your system settings. From now on, you can open Microsoft Word just like any other app, and it will keep a clean interface focused on your documents. If you don't see the Install as App option, make sure you're on the official Word page and that your browser is current. Closing and reopening the page can also help. This method gives you the convenience of an app with the simplicity of the browser version, and you can always uninstall it later through your browser's app management or your system's app settings. That's it. Simple, quick, and effective. Enjoy using Microsoft Word as an app on your PC.